Alright, we're about to go now. Any niggas got no rift to go? I'm trying to rift to that. Alright, come on, we gotta do. Come on, bro. You can't be serious. Listen to me, hey. I'm not talking to regular Chris. This is Ed and Chris right now, so y'all listen to what I gotta say. So I didn't record an outro. Don't mind my background. That's the whoop. I'm on the phone with the whoop right now. Do your homework on me and the whoop, but that's not the point. So I ain't recording intro or outro for y'all. So this is why I'm basically here to tell y'all. You bad me. So you feel me? Fortnite came out, of course, and me and my mans like, you feel me? Might as well hop on. Every time me and my mans used to play back in the day, it was hilarious. So I'm like, let me press record for my people. You feel me? And plus, I haven't really been recording it. I be too busy. I be stressing. So I'm like, let me just do this for my people. Let them know that, yeah, feel me, the real triple OG really still got it. You vibe with the jokes. But yeah, I don't really got nothing else to say for real. I was just letting y'all know some shit like that. And I hope y'all fucking with it. You feel me? Y'all have a great rest of y'all day. Okay.
Yeah, that's bitch so weak. Oh my god.
That's how weak ass is.
I smack the shit out of
On
you.
God. On God, don't care. You won't. Let me take this skin off because the bitch nigga got my skin off.
Wait, bro.
I ain't gonna lie. You said let's match. Like shit. Whoop that. Yeah, I'm looking at my gliders. I got some shit. Hey, don't sell me, bro. Hey, let's do zero builds.
Nigga, this is 0 field.
Type shit. It is. I think. Don't sell me, bro.
What you mean don't sell you, bro?
Cause do your homework on you selling me all the time. I'm about to get your ass a bug. Yup. Oh, he tripping. He copyright mine. Can't I turn that shit off from my settings? Let's see what Let's see a retail here now. I repeat, do not sell me. Do not sell me. If you sell, I will give you the belt. I will fuck
Ain't
you.
none of that shit happening. Bro, Chris, I'll kill you. I ain't gonna lie, I gotta take this glider off, bro. This shit big as hell. This shit big.
I'm so ass. Oh shit.
Why you say
Oh
that?
shit.
Maya, you watch your power?
Nigga, call me reloading.
Hey, shit. Bro, why do I keep collecting mats?
I'm gonna definitely turn you down. You nigga, a lot of shit.
Who, me?
Yeah, hold on.
Hold on, I'll turn that.
No. I turned you up, but I turned you too high up. You straight there. You straight just how you is. No good.
I switched shit to PS5, man. For some reason, my mic just started tripping out of nowhere. So I'm off the hand, the controller mic.
Oh shit. I'm dancing with these niggas. Oh. Where's my niggas at when I need them?
See what I'm on.
I don't see who you on. You got one body. Make it two. There's another nigga in that bitch.
Watch this 3-piece. Where you at?
The other nigga ass though. It was just him. I ain't okay. Hey, right there. He right there. Oh shit.
Damn.
Give me your head on some shit like that. That nigga called me trying to put on the bush. Come on, bush on, bro.
This your shit? I ain't
That's my shit, bro. Chill out, man. If I had to boogie bomb your ass. Make their ass dance. Where he going?
Oh, I know. Never in my life have I.
I about to say, I don't even collect dog loot. Let me have a nigga loot. Do your homework on, what's the word, Chris, come back to life.
Chris.
Let me go get my bush.
Chris.
Yeah.
You know she the one for you when she start watching Power.
But you start what?
When she start watching Power.
Man, you'll never know what these hoes the one for you.
Hey, Maya, I lost next to my crown. We can low key watch it together. I told you, we watched it. That's how good it is.
No, what you breaking shit for? We ain't got no match.
Think I'm getting a chest.
I just had to make sure.
Good want you a big pot game.
Appreciate you. I'm gonna need that.
You want this on these impulses? All about the
Of
impulses.
course. Where that big pot just go? Never mind, I see it.
That's in a date. Yeah. Oh shit! Don't drink it. Don't drink. Oh shit.
I didn't drink it.
Yes, you did, nigga.
Oh, I didn't. I already had one.
Oh shit.
Dumbass nigga. Dumbass nigga. Stupid ass nigga. Ugly ass nigga.
Good, bro.
I'm positive, bro. And he's just gonna leave me, bro. Like, you ain't gonna say nothing, bro. Stop being a ham, bro.
Hey, listen, I thought you was behind her, nigga, the whole
Come on, bro. And you always be like, bro, why you so forward? Because niggas don't say shit.
Hey, don't even play it crazy, Chris, cause like, nigga, I wasn't even far, nigga.
Come on, let's get the fuck on. Let's get the fuck on.
Hold on, gang. Somebody shooting at us.
Huh?
Somebody shooting at me. Nigga, they down there. Come on down to the mountain, bro.
But they, I don't see nobody.
Nigga, that nigga's right down under the tree.
I see your ass. I'm about to come in like I'm Thanos on his ass. Watch this. And this green pup finna hit his ass differently. Watch this.
Hey, Chris, if you die, that's gonna be the funniest one.
This dumbass friend ain't even see me. Go ahead, shred me. Go ahead, I got a bush. James, hey, is you gonna help me or no, nigga? Come on now. I was about to say. Help!
Come in at the last one.
Man, nigga literally came in at the last minute. I'm about to die. I'm at 19.
You got any heals?
I took a look.
Oh, shit, bro. I'm about to throw my minis.
I don't want to throw any good man.
It's a big pot up there, too. Oh, it's 3 big pots.
I'm about to grab. Don't worry about it. I got hella inventory space. Oh, should I get this blue pump over this heavy? Yes, I'm not gonna lie. Where the ammo again? Oh, shit, think behind you! What the hell?
Oh, wait, they ain't seen me.
I know they ain't. I'm already. What the fuck? This shit crazy.
Hold on.
Oh, shit! There goes man!
Chris, you gonna run and then come back and steal one?
Hey, oh, shit! Where did you get me from? Oh, that nigga all the way over there. I'm beaming his ass. I'm beaming his ass. In his ass. What the fuck? It's a nigga in front of us. Oh my god, Danzig. I missed the pump shot. I missed the pump shot. Danzig, you already did. I ain't gonna lie. That's not even our fault, bro. It was niggas coming from the left, right, up, down. Like, damn. I'll be right back there. Hold on. Oh, shit. Look.
Oh, shoot. Hey, Joshua. Hold on, did that nigga leave?
That's what left. That's what.
Bro, hey, I ain't gonna lie, bro. My shit was on. Bro. I'm like, Joshua, nigga, Chris, AOK. I was wondering why nigga quiet as shit.
You want to come downstairs? Yeah. That's a real nigga shit. We might have to lead again.
Nah, bro, I'm about to.
You see about the huh?
I'm about to pull up.
My nigga. I ain't gonna lie. I thought you wasn't in the game because your name not popping up on my shit. So I just literally just ran into a nigga, let him kill me. I ain't gonna lie.
Hold on, bro. Don't get up there, bro.
Man, you caught that nigga as soon as that nigga. That nigga killed me. Get his ass. Got his ass. Dumbass. Now y'all bring your man back. I mean your man's back.
Hey, hold on. This gonna scare him. I'm gonna send this bitch. Bro. Who else? Hey,
Nigga, that was the same nigga you turned away from. And nigga, hey, yo, that man thought that bush was unbreakable. Where you trying to go, bro? Hit the bus driver, bro. Do your homework on him not having to do what he doing, but he still is to be a real nigga.
Ain't even nobody going.
Oh, hey, you know that little jump you do when you land? Why that bitch back in the game too? Let me find out.
Oh, I know.
Nigga, shut up, nigga. I wasn't telling you, nigga. I mean, I was asking, nigga. I was telling you, nigga.
Why you gotta be like that, eh?
Cause I'm a rude nigga. Uh-oh. A deagle. I mean, hand kid. My dumb man. Oh, I had a nigga with that deagle.
Why did that nigga just, bro? Why did he break that?
Fuck around here, nigga, with that motherfucking deagle, boy. Ain't gonna know what to do with it. I'm in that with that motherfucking jiggler chain. Ain't gonna know hit his jiggle ass.
Where you get it, bro?
What we get, bro?
That you got a deal with.
I used to have a hand cannon. On some real nigga shit, I hold my volume great, cause this is fun. I'm actually having fun for Fortnite. Look at that. Alright now. It's cool what I do and ain't cool what you do.
I know. Hey. Fortnite back.
This corny ass nigga. Who is shooting at me? This nigga aim ass. I'm about to hit that with that motherfucking deagle behind you.
Alright, bro. Let's go.
I'm gonna get hit with that motherfucking deagle. God damn. Come on, bro. Only hit that with that deagle. Stop being selfish with the kills, bro. If I had to kill your ass. Bitch, hold on. Bitch, hold on. Bitch, hold on. Bitch, this the one, this the one. Bitch, I got his ass. Think of my loot, bro. Deal. Oh my, I swear to God, when I catch your ass in real life, I'm killing your ass. Alright, we're about to go now. Any niggas got no rift to go? I'm trying to rift to that. Alright, come on, we gotta do that. Come on, bro. You can't be serious. Hey, nigga for sure to try to snake my head off, but the nigga aim ass. Don't let me find his ass. Is that him all the way up there? Let me see what this deagle do. But I'm Dave about to take this big pot. I mean this chicken again. Nigga, hit your ass some shit.
It's just niggas behind us, bro.
God damn. You think?
Yeah, I think so, bro. No, you can't get up from that way. Hey, Chris, I don't think you can get up. Hey, Chris, I think you can get up. Hey, Chris, I think I'm dead. Hey, Chris, I don't think you can get up.
Come on, for bitch. Come on, for bitch. That is it, bro. Stop dying, you weak ass nigga. Damn.
You about to blame that on.
God damn, I hate this nigga. Nigga so ass. Where is that at? Point me to him, go.
On the ground, bro.
I'm on the ground. Where the nigga at? Stop hitting me like that, bro. If I had to do your motherfucking ass, boy, in a particular time. Who is you talking to, bro? That nigga called me doing my minis. Hell no, that miss is gone. Hey, but fuck with that. You got some shotgun ammo though? Oh shit, the enemy's attacking. Yeah, I got the rift to go, so let me know when you ready to go.
So I'm done. Okay.
That's something for you too, my boy.
What you got for me? Green.
Damn there, bro. What did I tell you about this shit, bro?
Like ass eating chicken.
Nah, bro, I was still running, bro. You a whole ass nigga. It don't matter. I got something for her.
Wasted all of it. Get your black ass.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
Alright, come on, bro. Oh!
I need to just die. You just killed that nigga, you got sniped. Ooh.
That nigga go up there. Let's get up here, though.
You got some rockets.
Bro, where these niggas just go? Oh.
Ooh, shit. He trying to take somebody's skull off. What weapon do that nigga have in his hand? Oh, this man's on the side. I got you, gang. I got you, gang. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Come over here, gang. Come over here, gang. What that is? Let me get that off him.
Nigga, hurry up!
Hold on, but stop fucking moving. Oh shit. Okay, cool. I got a sniper just for this moment too. Oh shit! Oh, we know about.
Oh, I'm gone. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, Chris.
Yeah, hold on, we gotta go that way. Oh shit! This nigga above us. Oh damn, you going for real? He wasn't playing. You got the James. Don't worry about it. I believe you. I ain't gonna lie. Wherever that shit in your second to last inventory looks so goddamn fake. That shit like they took that shit from Minecraft. Oh yeah, you did. Nigga, bye. Yeah, like she my trick or some shit.
Tight shit. Absolutely tight. Hey, Chris, you remember we went to go see Black Panther? And, I decided to buy me some popcorn and a slushie. And your ass took down like 75. Chris, you remember that?
What?
I hope you do. You don't remember that? Alright, so let me get your memory. There was 6. Black Panther just came out, and as a school, oh my bad, as a big, because it's just us. And I found $30 just laying on the ground.
Yeah.
I grabbed it and I bought.
Kill 30
You
dollars.
said, Cap? Hold on.
I didn't say a word.
Joshua.
Fuck, nigga, fuck your 30.
Tell us weak ass again, like I give a fuck.
Yeah, nigga, fuck your $30, nigga.
What you saying?
Hold on, Chris. Hold on.
Straight
You ain't even gotta do
smash.
That's all I'm saying. Joshua, I really got. You don't want to start it. Chris, where you at, bro? Cause I feel like
Hey, I ain't gonna lie. Hey, this nigga broke. This nigga broke down. I hit his ass with a rocket to the head. Stop selling my shit, bro. Joshua, I ain't gonna lie. I need you to join this shit right now. This nigga so
Chris, come here.
I'm not coming nowhere. Oh,
Hey, listen.
come over here, bro. Come over here, bro.
Bitch camping. I never seen.
Come over here, bro.
Come over there. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Dumbass nigga. Come on, bro.
Sorry, I got a chug. Nigga in there, remember? Hey, Mike, don't you ever fucking like tell me to shut up. I really kill niggas. Hey, but Chris, it's a nigga in there. You see that nigga? Oh, yeah, get that bitch.
Oh, shit. Damn. He just took my shit.
Dang.
I gotta one pump his ass.
Don't worry, Chris. Hold on, my shit is.
Yeah, it's just. Oh, yeah, my nigga. No, that's me, though, for sure. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie, for sure. I need them minis. I don't know what you pick them bitches up for.
Yeah, I love you.
Who, me?
I know.
Who, me?
Chris.
Oh, help. It's a nigga with a. It's a nigga with a bush. You got no aim. I don't know. I'm sick as shit about that one. I don't know why Mikey Williams trainer keep posting his clips. That nigga is not getting up. That nigga is going to jail. That nigga is going to jail. That nigga is going to jail. Come on, bro. Stop playing.
Bro, these one niggas, like that nigga Mikey was on some Tariq St. Patrick shit, bro.
That nigga Mikey was trying to catch a head.
Nigga, you wouldn't be going anyway. She wouldn't invite you.
You would not be on that invite list.
Why y'all trying to hold me?
Nobody trying to hold you. I'm just saying, like, ain't you on the phone with your whoop, bro? Why you worried about it now?
Yeah, I'm on the phone. But that don't matter, nigga.
It do matter, nigga. You worry about your Detroit root. Worry about wherever she from.
Yeah, bro. You worry about the wrong thing, bro.
Hey.
Hey, where's she from?
Her ass from across the city. I mean, across the
Yeah,
state.
girl, you on the phone with.
Her ass from Dubai.
Yeah, that's a good question.
That's a good question.
This nigga don't even.
Nigga,
this
what?
Nigga don't even know.
Hold on.
Oh my god.
Nigga, wah.
This nigga talking to a bitch. He don't even know.
Hey, y'all gotta watch out, bro. How
What you mean? Hey,
this up, bro.
hey, ask her right now.
Ask her what?
Where she stay at? Like, where she live at?
Oh, nigga,
He
I
said
know
he-
where she live.
Where she live at?
She gotta be a big bitch. She gotta be fat. She sound
Gotta
fat.
be.
Nah, bro, she not.
Where she live at, bro?
Nigga, she living. Nigga, like 12.
She live in where?
Bro,
Oh, 12 minutes? Oh, tight shit.
12 minutes away from me.
I'm Mike Tyson. I'm hitting niggas with them.
And Chris, nigga, I showed you a picture.
This had to be a minute ago, cause I don't even remember. I don't remember the last time you sent me a picture of a girl.
Man, Chris, shut the fuck up, bro.
I don't even remember you showing me a picture of a girl in a minute.
This why I don't fuck with
Man, cause I don't remember you showing me a picture of a
you.
girl.
Nah, bro, cause
Nigga, shut up.
Chris, why you gotta? Hey, hold on, Josh. Chris, why you on that, bro?
I'm not on it. I'm just saying, like, how you mad at me? Cause I don't remember how your girl look, gang. Oh, you mean that for sure? Need that.
Hey,
Need that. Need that. Okay. Appreciate it, my boy. Okay. Okay. Oh god, this is a gun. Oh god, this is a gun, boy. I appreciate you, Skiller. Nigga, I'm filthy.
What's up? Hey, Chris, bro. Like,
Yeah.
she's a cheerleader in Houston, bro.
Oh, I remember now. The girl you said, the girl you said you went to the game and she was dead in your face, but she ain't noticed how ugly.
Yeah. Why you had to call me?
I was asking the question.
No, bro.
I forgot. I forgot. I forgot how she looked, but I remember that though.
Just making sure.
Hold on, did you send it to me on messages?
Hey, Maya.
You sent it to me on messages?
Nice. Nice. Send it to you.
You sent it to me on the ground?
Huh? Hold on, Maya. Both y'all niggas talking at the same time. Hold on.
Maya, hold on now. Let me find out you didn't took my bitch.
bro. Hold on, Chris. I can really play golf.
What she look like? What she look like,
I
gang?
was really
What she look like, gang?
Ooh, sound lag like a bitch.
light skin.
Oh my god, he done took my bitch.
Nah, bro, nah. You fucking with a girl in Houston named Maya that's a cheerleader? Hey.
You got a fight? She had a fat ass?
Nice ass.
Oh my god, he didn't took my bitch.
Nah, think about it. I think I did used to fuck with a bitch that go to Houston with a fat ass that was cheerleader.
Hey.
He might have took the both of our bitches.
Nah, this nigga took my bitch.
Yeah, there, bro. Why you on that?
Hey, bro.
Get my bitch back. Get my bitch back.
Right, bro, I need my bitch back.
Get my bitch back.
And she a cheerleader. That's so crazy because I talked to a bitch that was a cheerleader and light skin and got a fat ass. That is
Man.
ridiculous.
Literally. Fucking retarded. Her name?
Guess what?
She a what?
She mom.
Nigga, I come down there and take that bitch. And then fuck her in your face.
Oh my god. Stop taking my kills, fat bitch.
Oh my god.
They talking about you. They said they ain't Maya. And it was a cheerleader. But I told them niggas fuck whoever they talk about. Bro, they
Nigga.
more than like I know it's cool. And
Well, you ass as hell, boy.
Cool. If I say I promise you.
That nigga talking to my bitch right now, man. I should smack this nigga, dog.
Hey, Joshua, bro. You fuck Ayana. Yeah.
Bro, stop playing me. That bitch been blocked for like 3 years. That bitch been blocked for like 3 years.
Oh my god.
That was my school bitch.
Oh no, he ain't. I'm
No, that was my school. That was my school bitch. I hit her whenever I want. Hit her up.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. Now I think about it, bro. Every girl back in the day, bro, was just a school bitch all the time.
Everybody had a school bitch, bro. She was my school bitch. Bro.
But you
Of course, your fat ass ain't. You ain't getting no right.
You didn't
ain't
have a boo.
nobody.
You didn't just have a boo.
You nigga, you had a. What did you have? Nobody.
You had a
Oh, my fault.
You just had a
He
conversation.
did have girl. He did have girly. Hold on, he did have girly. What was her name though? Who he had? No, it was a fat bitch.
Hit it.
No, it was a fat bitch.
That's Mariah.
Yeah, Mariah. He had a fat bitch. I know he. You was talking to a fat bitch.
Hey, listen.
Hey, that was back in the day though. I ain't gonna hold that against you.
Yeah, I was young and stupid.
Nah.
You love the BB dubs. That fat bitch.
You wasn't young and stupid. You was just stupid.
See, me and my nigga Chris, we had all the bad hoes in that bitch.
Literally.
I didn't had every girl in that bitch. I swear to God.
To this day.
Every cold girl that came in there, I had. I don't give a fuck if it was the first, second grade.
To this day. What the ass doing? Hold on.
That nigga started blasting at y'all niggas and took off. He didn't kill that nigga teammates then. Blew that nigga. Oh, he's shooting again. Tap that nigga up, Chris.
I'm gonna do this.
You better kill him too.
Yeah.
Oh my god, bro, it's a bot. That nigga was a bot.
That's it. If we don't win this game, I'm getting off because I know it's gonna be because of you, because you ass.
Oh my god, who the fuck got 11 kills? Hold on. How do I switch? Who the fuck got 11 kills?
I got 5. He got 6.
No, we got 5.
It don't tell me. It just tell me y'all niggas got 11.
Let me take a look.
Hey, bro, it was a blue pump back there.
That
It was
nigga
like
turned around,
way
took off.
back. It was way back there. It was in that van or something. Chris seen that bitch. It was like a van or a truck.
Yeah, I already got one. So What you got?
Drop it for me, then.
Crazy. What you
I
got?
got a green one.
Boy, you crazy. Well, I mean, we could just go back and get it. Nigga, it ain't that far for what?
Nah, bro, it's good. This nigga shooting up here.
Now we not.
Gliding through the air.
All I'm saying is now when you hit niggas for 120 instead of 200, when we lose the game.
Shoot them niggas. Yeah, shoot them niggas. Don't worry about the shit, nigga. Shoot them niggas. Let that nigga live. Y'all catch that nigga later. Oh my god, that nigga got a gold fucking tack. He got a gold tack. I know he wants that and a scar. Oh my god,
shit,
bro,
he
got
got a
the
gold
best
tack,
loot
it's over.
ever. He got a. Oh my.
Yeah, James A. That's what I'm talking about. James A. That's what I'm talking about, James A.
Man, fuck y'all niggas, man. We better get one when I get on there.